Subscribe to AM Vlogs and click the notification bell to all so you never miss any unboxing video and any gameplay video. Well, so what's up guys, AM Vlogs back with a new video for you. So in today's video I'm just going to unbox my new tripod guys. So yeah, let's start today's video, and I have bought this from Flipkart guys that I'll show you in the later on video. So if you're not watched my last video of Flipkart guys, you can just see, and I think you enjoyed the outro of that video guys. So this is my new video of my tripod guys. So from nowadays I'll use this tripod for my vlogging guys. So without any wasting your time, I'll just unbox this. So yeah, let's start the unboxing of this. So guys, I think so you can see that here is the tripod. Let's open this. Here is my blade guys. So first see it is this time the packing is little small guys. Otherwise Flipkart, I have opened this with my blade guys. So let's keep the blade aside. Let's open this. And there are so much covering guys, but I will take it from the center because it is very easy. So yeah guys, you can see that I have taken my new tripod. So it looks like this guys, and it's a very good tripod. So you can see that here is some basic information like 3-way head, built-in level, 4-second aluminum legs, quick lever lock, and here also like that only same guys. So here the image of the tripod. Here also the same information. It is 1020 mm, 350 mm, 345 mm, 16.8 mm, and 420 grams is the weight of this guy. So near to half kg. But yeah guys, now let's take it from here. So you can see I have taken it from here guys. So with this we get a bag guys. So this bag, I'll just take it off, then I'll see you guys. So guys, here you can see that here is that main tripod guys, and I have taken because it was very hard guys. So with this we get a mobile clip that's off with very nice quality guys. I'll show the use of this in the later on video guys. First let's look on my tripod. So with this we get a bag guys, so we can take and travel if you are taking a photography. So if you want to buy this tripod guys, the link of this in the description, and if you want to buy, you can buy from description guys. So I'll save the rate also guys. Actually buy it from Flipkart guys. So the rate was around 700 guys, but in 700 it comes with aluminium guys. It's a very good quality. So before that, if you're not subscribed, because I'm doing the unboxing for you guys, if you're not subscribed, subscribe and click the notification bell to all so you never miss any unboxing or any gameplay video guys. So now let's open this. For you can see guys, I opened it from here, and from here it looks like this. You have to do it like this guys. So from here you can, oh guys, in 700 rupees this is very smooth guys. You can see how much smoothly is it going. So if you want to take cinematic shots, you can hold like this guys, and you can take your shots like this. So okay guys, now let's talk about ports and buttons. I mean, what are the equipments given to us with this guys. So it comes with so much things guys. From here also you can adjust from here also guys, from here also, and from here you have to put the mobile clip which you have got guys. And now I will show you guys. So now I'll show you the size also guys. Well, so guys, I will now show you my tripod, and I will show you some approx length and the maximum and minimum length both guys. So I'll say about this guys. From here you can open this one, guys, and you can close this so that you can get a portrait or landscape view, guys. So this one is for making this, guys, as you can make it. Now it is a little hard, guys, but after unlocking the screen, you can see how much 360 degree, guys. So next, now we'll see our length, guys. I'm opening the 3 at one time and see, guys, how much it does it get. From here you have to lock it, guys, so it gets locked. So from here also, guys, so same from here, guys. So guys, now it is coming to near to my stick, guys. So now after unlocking this key, it becomes more big, guys. So now you can see, guys, now it is coming to my chest, guys. Now it can become more bigger with adding this mobile clip, guys. So from this I have already just inserted my monitor light, guys, and I put this in this mobile clip. I got this only, guys, in some papers not available. You can buy, guys. So the price will be near to 150, guys. So I'll put it and I'll meet you with that, guys. So guys, you can see that I have inserted my Honor 10 light, guys. So now on my camera, guys. So guys, you can see, guys, I'll just off it. So guys, this is used for this, as I told you before, for cinematic shots. Then the use of this is for making, if you want to make some videos like portrait, you can make it like this, guys. So you can get a portrait video. So this is for portrait video also, you can just rotate it, guys. Then another one in the portrait video, so you will get it here, right? This is used for screwing this one, guys, so that it gets attached more tightly, guys. So now fully it came. Yeah, so now it is correct. I use this for my gameplay video, for unboxing, more vlogging videos, guys. So next one is this one, guys. It is for this, guys. For unboxing video also, it can be used like this, guys, or as this. You can take it more big, guys. So this is a very good tripod, guys. With this I'll get a cover also, but the cover is not that much good quality. So you can see how much big it is coming to my chest, guys. So from this it will get a very steady view, guys. So from here also you can rotate, as I am doing like this. So from here you can rotate and you will get a good view, guys. So okay, guys, that's it for this vlog. Meet in the next video. Till that, goodbye and keep watching AM Vlogs.
1, 2, 3, come on!